We've got a cool kid going to school today. Cool kid going to school today. He's got Mickey rain boots, Captain America, and a Pooh Bear jacket. Hi! We are at Michelin star Din Tai Fung. Yes! It's a mommy and me date. She was too busy for me every other day, but she's finally free for me today. Yay! And then of course we're with Hannah. Yeah, follow her. Oh yeah. How Anna eats Xiao Bao. You take one and put it in a spoon. Then you drain all the soup out. Then you dip it in the sauce, which is soy sauce, ginger, and vinegar. And then take the soup, taste it.
Boba 365
At 85C. Yay! Vacation life in SD, vacation life in SD, vacation life in SD. Prepaid Asian food and Jerry cooks. We got the shirt for Edison. It's for Paw Pal. Look at P. Look at A. And W. Paw Patrol. Yay! Hi! Reunion day with my high school girls, V and Ezra. We're having brunch or breakfast at the Pannikin. Woo! Let me show you. What's what?
Is that a good place to stay?
Little birdie sitting here. Don't attack me again. Little birdie sitting here at the Pannikin Cafe. Hey, V, Ezerlin, and me. Little birdie called for backup. Don't attack us. You're still outnumbered. Mama? Can you say thank you?
Thank you.